experiencing the dreaded HotSync System BSOD crash on your Windows PC. You're not alone, and we're fixing it permanently right now. This blue screen of death error can halt your productivity, but we have 4 proven methods to restore your system's stability. First, let's tackle outdated drivers. Often, an incompatible or corrupted HotSync driver is the primary culprit. Updating these through Device Manager ensures your hardware communicates correctly with Windows, preventing crashes caused by old software. If updating drivers doesn't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies within your system's core files, which brings us to method 2. We'll run powerful built-in tools like SFC and DSM to scan for and repair any damaged Windows system components, effectively mending the underlying issues that trigger the HotSync BSOD. Should system file integrity prove not to be the problem, then your Windows updates themselves might be the cause, leading us to method 3. Ensuring all your Windows updates are installed and compatible, or even rolling back a problematic one, can instantly resolve conflicts causing HotSync system instability. Finally, if the crash persists, we'll explore disabling the HotSync service or performing a clean boot to pinpoint and eliminate any third-party software conflicts, guaranteeing a stable, crash-free Windows experienced permanently.